Hey savers, and welcome back to Saving Made Easy. Sorry this video is coming to you a little late this week. We had some technical difficulties that we had to resolve, but they are fixed now, and I have a lot of great deals to share with you. Some are all digital and all are very easy and beginner friendly couponing deals for Dollar General on Saturday, March 12th. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you like easy couponing deals, and let's get started. Okay, this first deal is a food transaction, and I feel like we haven't had a full food deal in a while, so I'm excited to do this one. Start by picking up 2 of the Mott's applesauce 6-pack of individual containers. These will be $5.30 for both packs. We have a $1 off digital coupon on these. That coupon also works on things like juice if you don't need the applesauce or you want to get something else. Also, pick up one of the Totino's pizza rolls for $2 and use the 75-cent digital coupon on that. You can also pick up a box of the General Mills cereal. Any kind will do. It's $3 and we have a $1 off digital coupon on one box. Next, go ahead and pick up 2 bags of the Reese's Easter candy. There are the little eggs, or I think the ones with the messages inside, but they should be $3 per bag, so $6 for both, and we have a 3 off of 6 digital coupon on Easter candy. You can also pick up 4 of the Michelina's dinners. These are $1 a piece, so that'll run you $4, but they are buy 3, get 1 free with a digital coupon, so one of those will be absolutely free. And last but not least, pick up a box of the Pearl Milling pancake mix and a bottle of the syrup. I think it could be either 2 boxes of mix or 2 syrups. It just has to be, I think, 2 Pearl products. But I mean, if you're going to get pancakes, you might as well get the syrup. So grab one of each, and that'll run you $5.45. And we have a $1 off digital coupon. Make sure you have your $5 off of 25 coupon clipped. And your subtotal for this first transaction should come to $25.75. And after all those coupons and your 5 off 25 come off, you're only going to pay $13 plus tax for all of it. So that's a pretty good deal on food. Transactions start by picking up 1 of the Downy fabric softener for $5. We have a $1 digital coupon on that, making it just $4. Next, pick up 2 of the Airwick double oils, the twin packs of oils. These are $5 a piece, so $10 for both. And we have a buy 1 get 1 free paper coupon from the 3/6 newspaper insert. I feel like we buy a lot of the Airwick plugs, but not a lot of the oils, so this will be a good stock up for that. Next, pick up 2 of the Dial body wash. These are $4 a piece, so $8 for both. And we again have a buy 1 get 1 free paper coupon from the 3/6 newspaper inserts. You can also pick up 1 of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for $1 from the dollar aisle and use the 50-cent digital coupon on that, making it just 50 cents. And you can also pick up 1 of the Tiny Crest mouthwash from the travel section for $1 and use the $1 off digital coupon on that, making it a freebie. Make sure your 5 off 25 is clipped. Your subtotal should come to exactly $25. And after those coupons are deducted, you should pay $8.50 plus tax, which is a pretty good price. $1.21 each, and including a big thing of Downy, that's a good price. For this next transaction, you're going to start by picking up 2 Dial body wash. These are the 20-ounce versions for $4, so $8 for both of them, and you have a buy 1 get 1 free digital coupon. Next, pick up 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends, 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner. Again, $4 for both, $4 each, $8 for both. $4 off paper coupon from the 3/6 newspaper inserts. Next, you should pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both, and we have a $3 paper coupon also from the 3/6 newspaper inserts. Next, pick up one of the Airwick plugs for $2, and we still have that $1.99 digital coupon if you haven't used it yet, making that essentially a freebie. And just to fill this deal out, you could grab one of those tiny mouthwash from the travel section, and use the $1 digital coupon on that, making it a freebie. And make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped for this one. Your subtotal, again, is going to come to exactly $25. I don't know how I'm doing that this week. And your out-of-pocket cost is going to run you just $6.01 plus tax, or 75 cents each for all of that stuff, which I think is pretty good. By the way, Dollar General is not the only place with great deals going this week. I highly recommend checking out my live video from Monday, which has a ton of hot items that you can get at Kroger for absolutely free, including free Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Our last transaction of today is going to be a combination of stuff. First, pick up 2 of those Dial body wash for $4 each, and you have a buy one get one free digital coupon or the paper coupon, either one. You can also pick up one of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners for $1, and you have that 50-cent digital coupon off of that. Next, you can pick up one of the Neutrogena facial cleansers. These are $4, and you have a $2 off digital coupon plus a $2 Ibotta rebate, making it absolutely free, so that's a great deal. And if you haven't signed up for the Ibotta app yet, do so using my code ddasfmr. You can find it down in the description box below, and it helps support this channel when you do so, and also gets you some free money back. Next, pick up 2 of the Chloralin or the Penalin cleaners. These are $1 a piece, and you have a $1.50 off digital coupon when you buy 2. Next, pick up a giant jug of the PUREX detergent. This is the 128-ounce big boy for $8.50, and we have a $3 off digital coupon, making it just $5.50. And last but not least, just throw a little freebie in there. Grab one of those Airwicks for $2 and use the $1.99 digital coupon to round out your deal. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal is going to come to $25.50. And after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $5.51 plus tax, or 69 cents each for each item. And 69 cents for a giant jug of PUREX, I will pay that all day, every day. Thanks so much for checking out this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you found some useful information here, definitely hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite, which deal you liked the most. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and bop the notification bell so you don't miss out on any Dollar General deals. See you next time.